Self-practice 4.13, question 4. A company's savings after n years is this much. Determine the minimum number of years for their savings to exceed 4,000. Okay, so their savings are 2,000, 1 plus 0.07 power n. We want to find n when the saving exceeds 4,000. Okay, this is their saving. When will their saving exceed 4,000? Okay, so first step is we move the 2,000 over here. So this will become divide. 4,000 divided by 2,000, which is just 2 lah. You cut the zeros, you get 4 divided 2, which is just 2. Okay, so let's clean it up. We get 2. So now we need to make n the subject. We want to find the number of years. So n has to come down. So to bring the n down, we multiply the whole equation by log base 10. Okay, log base 10 in short is LG lah. Okay, so here we get LG 1 plus 0.07 and LG 2. So now the n comes down since we already have log. So we bring the n down, we get n log 1.007 log 2. Okay, since we want to make n the subject, this whole thing we bring there become divide. So n is log 2 divide log 1.007. Okay, 1 plus 0.07. Okay, correct. So now let's make n the subject. So you just type in the calculator, log 2 divide log 1 plus 0.07. We get 10.24. So n cannot be a decimal, it has to be a whole number. So what we have to do is we say n is 11. Okay, this is the next number after 10.24 lah, the next integer. Answer 11. So 11 years lah. It takes 11 years for the savings of this company to exceed 4,000 ringgit for the first time. If you want, you can check. So let's try to do 2,000. 1 plus 0.07 power 10. So after 10 years, it's 3,009. Haven't exceeded 4,000. But after 11 years, 4,200 already lah. Okay, so the answer is 11.